Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we're going to create a simple project that will help us to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius at the same time. So this is going to be one of the best amazing projects so far because we've tried out to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius respectively. But this time around we're going to put that together, and it's going to be very awesome because it's going to be an entirely code altogether. Now let's go ahead and put this so that people who wear glasses can be able to see what we are doing. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this down. Go ahead and select settings, and let's go and change this to IntelliJ, and put that back to Dracula, and put that back. I supposed to have done this before now. Now let's go ahead and create an integer variable of x, and let x be equal to, let's say, input. Okay, let that be input, and I'll tell the user to insert any value of degree Celsius. Wow, go ahead and put this back of Celsius or Fahrenheit. Alright, so any one of them he or she puts, we're going to accept that. And now we go ahead and say, wow, let's say we have okay, as we have created x and we're expecting Celsius or Fahrenheit, and let that be the unit. Let's go ahead and say unit is equal to x and then -1. So what we've just did now is the last character of the string is what we just retrieved by saying x -1. All right, now let's go ahead and say the rest of the string. We have to translate that to an integer value. So let's go ahead and say that x is equal to int, and int x of 0 of -1. So now we have to translate everything to integer, and which we have done. The next thing is we have to use an if statement to check the Celsius and the Fahrenheit. So using an if statement, we have to start with first Celsius, and let's say that unit, if unit is equivalent to uppercase C, or unit is equivalent to lowercase c. All right, because someone might put that to be uppercase or lowercase. Then we go ahead and say that x is equal to round. We have to round that, and then let's say that x multiply 9 divided by 5. Okay, 9 divided by 5, and add 32. All right, so go ahead and print out the result, and that says LCL of x plus, because we're setting that to be Fahrenheit, plus f. All right, plus f, else, that is else if unit is equivalent to uppercase F, or unit is equivalent to lowercase f. Then we go ahead and we have not started printing. Let's first of all do the calculation. X is equal to, let's go ahead and round that. Go ahead and round that to x minus 32. X minus 32 multiply by 5 divided by 9. Alright, so let's go ahead and print out the result. So print and LCL of x plus the unit, and that is C for Celsius. So now we go ahead and run this code. Now we have a unit. There's a mistake right here. Can you see that? So this is a unit equivalent, so that should be double equal sign right there, and that error is gone. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. I believe everything being equal is going to generate something very sweet. So insert any value of C or F. So let's say we are going to put 1C, that is equivalent to 34 Fahrenheit. So 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to 34 Fahrenheit. The next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and demarcate this right in here. Okay, let's run this code again, so there'll be a space to run. Check it out. Now go ahead and say that 1F and hit enter. So 1F is, there's a problem right here because we're supposed to put F right here. Can you see that? And we went ahead and put U instead of lowercase f for the Fahrenheit. Alright, that is a very big mistake. Go ahead and put that again and say 1F and hit enter. And wow, I wrote IF and not 1F, please. So 1F. I hope everything been alright. Let's go ahead and hit that. So negative 17 Celsius. You can see that that converts from either Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. I hope that is very, very good. Go ahead and put this down on your own system. You can see it working out very fine. And if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.